Hi guys, welcome to AC Technical. In today's video, I am going to show you how to block internet access for specific apps from Microsoft Store in Windows 11. So, if you want more control over what your apps are doing in the background, then this is going to be very useful. Now let's quickly talk about why you might want to block internet access for certain apps. By using a firewall to block a program, you can prevent apps from automatically updating and potentially causing issues with your system. This is super helpful for parents too because you can block games from going online so your kids are not playing with random strangers, and it also stops them from buying stuffs in game without you knowing. On the top of that, some free app shows a lot of ads. Blocking internet access can completely remove those intrusive ads. And one more very important thing, it can protect your system when you are connected to public Wi-Fi, which is not often secure and can put your data at risk. So yeah, it's not just about blocking, it's about control and security. So let's go to the method to block internet access for specific app. Alright, first click on Start menu and search for Windows Defender Firewall. Then click on Advanced Settings. Now click on Outbound Rule. This controls what apps can send data out of your computer. On the right side, click on New Rule. Select Program and hit Next. Now this part is important. Microsoft Store apps are stored in a hidden folder. Now if you don't see the Windows apps folder, don't worry, it's hidden by default. So let's see how to unhide it. First open the File Explorer, go to C drive, then Program Files, then go to the top menu and click on View, then Show and make sure the hidden item is checked. Once you do that, you will be able to see the Windows Apps folder inside the Program Files directory. Here, you will need to keep in mind you might still need admin permission to open it, and that's completely normal. If you got any permission related error, then here's a certain tutorial for you. Alright, now go to inside that folder and find the app you want to block. Then select its .exe file. Click on Next. Select Block the Internet Connection and click Next again. Make sure all the options are checked: Domain, Privacy and Public. After that, click Next. Now give your rule a name like your app's name hyphen block internet and click Finish. And that's it. That app can no longer access the internet, but everything else on your system will work normally. If you want maximum control, you can also block inbound connections for the app, which stop the app from connecting to the internet. Inbound rule control if anything from the internet can connect back to the app. So let's check how to do it. Go to left panel and click on inbound rule. Then click on new rule on the right. Select program. Click next. Now choose the same app executable file you selected before. After that, click on next. Select block the connection. Click next again. Make sure keep all the profiles checked and hit next. Give it a name like your app name hyphen block internet. After that, click finish. Now the app is fully restricted. It can't send or receive any data from the internet. For most cases, blocking outbound rule is enough, but adding inbound rules gives you extra security, especially if you just want to completely isolate that app from any network activity. So, I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you have any question or any advanced guide, then please let us know. Please like, comment and share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.